Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and in today's class we are starting with question number 7. We are in exercise 7.3, solve graphically. Okay, the question is y plus 8 is greater than equals to 2. So therefore this means 8 is greater than equals to 2x minus y. Okay, take your y to the right hand side, it becomes minus. So 2x minus y is less than equals to 8 is what we are getting. So this is the main inequation. Now what to do? Step number 1, take equals to 8. So take it as equals to 8. 2x minus y is equals to 8. Drop your 8 in the denominator, convert it in the intercept form. So 2 by 4 minus y by 8 equals to 1. But in the intercept form, in between there was plus sign. So hence what I've changed out here is x by 4 plus y by minus 8, because minus into plus will give me minus, so is equals to 1. So this is the main equation of a straight line which is in the intercept form, where the straight line will pass through x-axis at point 4 and it passes through y-axis at point minus 8, which means this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is my origin. So on x-axis positive 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. On y-axis negative 8 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So therefore this is the straight line 2x minus y equals to 8. Now about the arrowheads, for that we have to again take the inequation 2x minus y is less than equals to 8. The method is we have to put x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So on doing so, if you put 0, 0, 2 into 0 is 0, minus 0 is 0. So 0 is less than equals to 8. 0 is strictly less than equals to 8, which is true. And also 8 is also included, which means the straight line is also included. So hence it will be a dark line. So hence this line will be a dark line. And the arrowheads will be, since it is true, it will be towards the origin. The arrowheads will be towards the origin, because my origin is this side, so hence it will be towards the origin like this. So I hope everyone is clear with this. So this is the graph of this inequation. This is how we do. Okay, take it into intercept form of a straight line, plot the points, join the points, you'll get a straight line, put x equals to 0, y equals to 0. If it satisfies, then it will be towards the origin. If not, then it will be away from the origin. Okay, so please pause the video and note down till here. Alright, the next one is question number 8. The question is 0 less than equals to 2x minus 5y plus 10. So what we'll do first is we'll bring this 10 to the left hand side. So it becomes minus 10 less than equals to 2x minus 5y, which is also equals to 2x minus 5y is greater than equals to minus 10. I hope you are clear with this. 10 plus 10 becomes minus 10. The sign is same, and which means this minus 10 is less than this, which means 2x minus 5y is greater than minus 10. Now what to do? We take this is equals to 2x minus 5y is equals to minus 10. Now since if we are to make in the intercept form, the right hand side should be equals to 1. So drop minus 10. Drop your minus 10 so that it becomes 1. So separate 2x divided by minus 10 minus 5y divided by minus 10, which is equals to 1. So 2 1s are 2 5s are minus and minus will be plus. So on x-axis minus 5 units, this will be plus. 5 1s are 5 2s are, so on y-axis it will be 2, so it will be something like this. If you are asked to draw the graph of this, what you'll do is you'll draw straight lines like this. So I'm doing it very quickly here. Okay, x, y, this is your y. So on x-axis minus 5 units, so somewhere out here it will be minus 5. On y-axis it's 2 only, so somewhere out here it will be 2. So if you join, you get a straight line like this. So this is your straight line whose equation is this one. Okay, Now let's check, let us check the arrowhead. If you put x equals to 0, if you put y equals to 0, is 0 greater than minus 10? 0 greater than equals to minus 10? Obviously 0 is greater than is equals to minus 10. 0 is not less than. So you put x equals to 0, y equals to 0, the whole thing is 0. So 0 is greater than minus 10. Obviously it's true, so hence it will be towards the origin again. It will be towards the origin. How about this line? Is it included? Yes, since it is greater than equals to, so hence this line is also included. So hence this will be a dark line like this. So I hope this makes you more clear. I hope you're clear with this. Pause the video, note it down, and yes, we'll keep it till question number 8 from this exercise. Now we are moving forward to exercise 7.4. Please pause the video and note it down. All right, everyone, let's start the second exercise, 7.4. The question is again solved graphically, but instead of one linear inequation, here we have two linear inequations, which means two straight lines we will be getting, and then we have to find, we have to see on which side it will be the arrowhead. Okay. Again, what to do? It's already given in the inequation form. Now try and write in terms of equations. So we take this as equals to and this as is equals to. So taking this as equals to, you'll be getting 3x plus 2y equals to 6. Make it into intercept form. This will be 3x divided by 6 means 3 by 2 plus y by 3 equals to 1. I know you're clear with this. Similarly, x by 4 plus y by 2 is equals to 1. Okay, so this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. And now let us draw the graph, straight line. So for first one, okay, on x-axis 2, on y-axis 3. On x-axis 2, so 1, 2. On y-axis 3, so 1, 2 and 3. So hence this and this are the points. So we can join the straight line and get the straight line something like this. This is a straight line, and yes, it is less than equals to, so you have to make it dark. Okay, so this will be a dark straight line. Yes, something like this, which shows that it is included. Another one, the second one, on x-axis 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. On y-axis 2, so this and this will be the points. So for this I am using another color pen, so that it's clear to you all more. It's more clear to you. Then join this. Okay, join this too. So here we see two straight lines. The first one is this black one, and the second one, this is the red one. Now this one is not included because it is strictly greater than. Now let's check. So you put 0 out here. So this is 0 plus 0 is less than equals to 6, so which means it will be towards the origin. So therefore this will be towards the origin, something like this. Okay, when you put out here 0 and 0, it is false, because 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 is never greater than 4, so hence it will be away from the origin. So away from the origin means this, away from the origin. That's it. Okay, so this completes the answer. So please pause the video and note it down properly. All right, one more thing we have to keep in mind out here while doing this type of sums, okay, especially when we have two inequations given to us, when we are drawing two straight lines, then fine, till here you are clear with this, but the main answer will not include the other portions which are not common. If I see properly out here, on this straight line, it is the arrowheads is downwards, and for this straight line the arrowhead is upwards. So if you see properly, notice properly, then this portion is only your answer. This portion is your answer. Okay, so therefore when you give the final answer, then please exclude these things, this one. Okay, I'm going to make it one more for you all so that you are clear. Okay, so what you'll do is first please pause, okay, so that the video will not be so lengthy. All right, now let's draw. Okay, so on x-axis for the first equation, on x-axis 2 units, on y-axis 3 units. On x-axis 2 units, so 1, 2. on y-axis 3 units, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now if you join these 2 points, then you get a straight line, which we have done before also, but there was a small correction that we need to do. That's why I'm making this. So this is your straight line of equation number 1. And yes, this straight line is also included, so it will be a dark. Now, whenever we have just less than equals to or greater than equals to, there it is not included, right? So therefore, what we'll do out here is, instead of drawing, now this time let's make a dotted line, okay? Just a dotted line. Now, let's plot the points first. On x-axis 4 units, on y-axis 2 units. On x-axis 4 units, so this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. On x-axis 4 units, on y-axis 2 units, so on y-axis 1, 2. And yes, this straight line will not be included on the graph, so hence let us just put a dotted line. Let us just put a dotted line. So this one you have to do it very carefully, a dotted line like this, so, which shows that, or which indicates that this line is not included. Okay, a dotted line like this, or dotted line like this. Now, perfect. I hope you're clear till here. Now, let's see where will be our arrowheads. So this was the first one. You put x equals to 0, you put y equals to 0. It is true. So if it is true, the arrowheads will be towards the origin. The arrowheads, this is the origin, so arrowheads will be towards the origin like this. But I'm not going this far. This far, I'll tell you why. Similarly, for this, you put x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Obviously, it is not true because 0 is not greater than 4. It is false. So it will be away from the origin. So away from the origin means this side. It goes this side. So if you see properly, this is coming this side and this is going this side. So if you see properly the graph, this is the common point of intersection. Okay, here we have all the points. These are all the points. So hence the answer will only be this much. This dotted region will be the answer. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. All right, so let's move to the next one, that is question number 3. In question number 3, the question says, solve graphically x plus y less than equals to 6, x plus y greater than equals to 4. You know the drill, what to do. Take it as equals to, take it as equals to, change it quickly into intercept form. So x by 6 plus y by 6 is equals to 1. The other one will be x by 4 plus y by 4 is equals to 1. Both of the straight lines are included, so no need to make dotted lines out here. It will be just the straight lines which are included. So plot the points on x-axis 6 units, on y-axis 6 units, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these 2 points, if I join, then I get a straight line which will be this. So this is the straight line. On x-axis 4 units, on y-axis 4 units will be my second straight line. So on x-axis 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On y-axis 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I join these 2 points, then I get a straight line, another straight line. So let us see which straight line is that. So join this properly. Yes, you get a straight line something like this, which are parallel to each other. Okay, now let's come back to the main thing. Yes, so this is the main thing that we're looking for. You put x equals to 0, you put y equals to 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and which is less than 6. So 0 is always less than 6, so hence the arrowheads will be towards the origin, which is this. So towards the origin like this. Okay. Here put x equals to 0, y equals to 0. 0 is never greater than 4, so hence it is false. So it will be away from the origin. So it's away from the origin, so it's obvious the common region of these 2 straight lines will be this middle region only. So hence this whole points will be your answer. This whole points will be any points out here is the answer. This is the graph of this 2 inequations. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down properly. Alright, so we'll keep this much for today. So complete all this and submit it to me by tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we'll finish this exercise and as well as this chapter also. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow next one. So till here, take care, bye bye, and submit it by tomorrow. Thank you.